Air Yacht V2. The Air Yacht V2, conceived by Laterini, elevates the concept of opulent air travel to new heights with its audacious and visionary design. Though it remains a concept within the realm of futuristic dreams, the V2 ambitiously expands upon the original blueprint, boasting a larger size, increased speed, and a more daring aesthetic. Powered and lifted by twin blimps, the Air Yacht V2 stands as a striking testament to the limitless potential of imagination in both design and engineering, promising a future where luxury and innovation soar together in the skies.